It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 26th of March. I'm Michael Groff. A couple of pleasant days ahead here in the valley, but then a warming trend starts for the middle part of the week and continues into the weekend. Temperatures going way above average, up toward the 90-degree mark for the Easter weekend. Let's get out there and talk about it this morning. 77 degrees, the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 55. That's pretty close to where we should be for this time of year. And outside right now, here at 6:10 a.m., we've got some clouds in the valley to start this day and 57 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 28, humidity 33%, the wind from the north at 5 miles per hour, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning out towards Surprise in the Northwest Valley. It's 45 degrees. That's the cool spot. Meanwhile, mid-50s for us here in the urban core. It's 55 here in Arcadia, where I am. Water vapor satellite view shows a big cool trough out here in the west, and that will be the impetus for our cool weather for the next couple of days. But then after that gets out of here, that's when our warming trend gets going. The watch warning map, we've got winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories, parts of Montana, Wyoming, extending out into the Plain States, flash flood watches from around Tulsa up towards St. Louis. Here in our state and in our region, we have a wind advisory in northwest and west central Arizona along the Colorado River, extending into parts of southeast California and southern Nevada. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk. That's the standard risk for severe storms, extends from around Abilene, Texas, up toward Oklahoma City, with a marginal risk to include places like Dallas and Joplin, Missouri. Precipitation around here for the next 7 days. Well, not a whole lot across Arizona, maybe a little bit up along the rim. But here in the valley, absolutely nothing. It's a pretty dry forecast, and we'll get into the details of that, the whys and wherefores of everything as we get out to the models and have a look at it. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. Troughing out here in the west, and down below that at the surface today, it's going to be a partly sunny day. High temperatures, low to mid-70s. Absolutely beautiful. Get out and enjoy it, because that warming trend is looming. Tonight, with partly cloudy skies, lows mostly mid-40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, more of the same, partly sunny, highs low to mid-70s. On Wednesday, the warming trend gets going. We'll be in the upper 70s to about 80, mid-80s on Thursday with mostly sunny skies. Sunny on Friday, upper 80s to about 90. Saturday, a few clouds coming in as shortwave energy moves through the flow. But for the most part, we'll just say a mix of sun and clouds. It'll still be dry. High temperatures, upper 80s to about 90. Easter Sunday, highs 85 to 88 with partly sunny skies. And then a week from today, this is Monday, the 2nd of April. Another little short wave moving through the flow, but that's not going to have much of an impact on our weather. Could knock temperatures down just a little bit. Highs low 80s. Here's Tuesday, the 3rd of April, a zonal flow in here, highs low to mid-80s, and then this is the end of the forecast period. Wednesday, the 4th of April, again, a zonal flow, weak troughing off of the Pacific Northwest coast or along the Pacific Northwest coast, but otherwise, we stay warm and dry, highs mostly in the low to mid-80s. Checking the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period. Yes, today and tomorrow look great, and then that warming trend gets going. The ensemble has us mostly mid to upper 80s for highs, approaching 90 degrees, lows mostly 50s and 60s, which, as we head into April, that becomes the norm. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning, and if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notification. Otherwise, be safe out there and have yourselves a great Monday.